Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we've taken a little drive out past Toowoomba to Crow's Nest, and we're in Crow's Nest National Park, and I've never been here before, so it should be a fun day. And we're going to be looking at some rock pools and a waterfall and a place, I think it's called Diamond Gorge or Diamond Valley or something like that. Actually, if I have a look here, yeah, Valley of the Diamonds. We're going there, and we're going to a few places here, Coonan Lookout, a few other places, so should be a lot of fun. I'm just testing out an ND filter on this today. That's quite strong. It might be a bit dark, but anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So let's get started. Passing a little gnome eating some nuts. I started out today with quite a dark ND filter and realised it was probably a bit too dark, so I've gone back to a fairly light 1:8 filter just to take the bright edge off. How good is that? I don't want to go too high up there, I'll get sun flare, but it's a massive tree. Looks absolutely stunning. So we're just coming along the track. We haven't been walking that long and we've already come to a turn off. You got the falls and Coonan Lookout, which we will be going to, but we might just whip down here first to the pools loop. I don't think they've had much rain here, so I don't know how nice these pools are going to be. From where I'm standing here, it looks quite dry. Oh, there's some water to my right. So there's a bit of water here, so if it was a hot day, it'd be worth jumping in for a swim. How nice is this? Beautiful. In fact, I might even get down here a bit further and put my drone up and get an overview of the area. Pretty. I'll come down here and get over on this beach on the other side and get my drone up, I think. Nice sandy beach. Beautiful. Some bottle brush trees all over here. Nice. A really nice beach. What a great place to come, like middle of summer, go hot, or when it's really hot, come for a swim, laze around on the beach. Stunning. We've got lots of she oaks and bottlebrush trees around here, and we got here these little bladey things. That's they're called lamandras. So all those years of being a landscaper, learning botanic plants, I suppose it's coming to some use these days. How cool. Okay, I'm going to put my camera down, I think, and I will get my drone up, I reckon. Beautiful bottle brush over here in flower. Some of the little water areas here, a little bit almost stagnant. They probably need a good downpour of rain, which I think they're probably going to get in the next few days. They'll help flush all this out. So anyway, I'm gonna, as I said, I'm going to turn my camera off and kick up my drone. Yeah, my wife was just mentioning, yeah, over here you can see you have a name tag on these trees. I don't know if you can see that because the camera is going into the sun here, but it's that big tree in front of me is a yellow stringy bark. It's enormous. Decisions. I suppose we should look at everything, shouldn't we? So let's turn right to Caillou Pool. A lot of birds around. I just heard a little finch. I can't see him. Well, I can't see them, but they're all around us. Another sign on the tree here. It says it's a yellow stringy bark. So just before, when we were at the first pool, I put my drone up and flew down the creek here a little bit, and I saw a really big rock pool. I don't know if this one we're walking to now is that actually big pool that I saw. Not sure. Wow, this is really beautiful. All these granite boulders everywhere, granite rocks. And there's a lot of big boulders too. You can see over through the trees here, there's a big clump of boulders. Wow. Got to be careful here. I'm trying to video and climb over big boulders all at the same time. So this is really pretty through here too. Boulders over there that look amazing with the orange tinge on them. You got all these sections through here with massive big boulders in the creek, and a lot of these are not actually like boulders sitting in the creek. A lot of these is this, they're into the bank, like the fixed rock, as opposed to boulders washing down the creek. Wow, so nice. This is all granite by the looks of it. Yep. So pretty. Had a little skink over here move and scare me a little bit. This is really beautiful, big boulders and a really nice beach. Beautiful. All over in the distance there, all lots of bottle brush trees, and over there looks like it'll be a really amazing cascade when the water's flowing.
And it disappears in the distance. Stairs, they say they're good for you, but geez, as soon as I start going upstairs I start panting.
A beautiful view over the little gorge there. Very pretty. I just realised before when I put my drone up, my drone's not logged in. So when I fly my drone, when it's not logged in, I'm limited in how far I can fly it away from me. So that's a real bugger, and I have to be back home at my computer to log it in, which is really annoying. So I'm still going to fly it once we get to this big waterfall lookout, but I just won't be able to probably go as far as I would like. But anyway, these things are what they are. Can't really do anything about it now. Oh. Songai. Everyone needs a bit of fungi in their life. And I've been walking by these plants all day. These are really pretty. I'm not sure what this is. It's almost got like the leaf is almost wattle-like, but it's definitely not a wattle, but it's really pretty. So just coming up now to another sign. Crow's Nest Falls is 320 away, but we're going to turn right and go to Waterfalls Falls. Sorry, let me say that again. We're going to turn right and go to Bottle Brush Pool. Nice little bench here. Have a bit of a rest on. Oh, this looks like a really nice swimming area. Wow.
Are you allowed to swim?
You're allowed to swim, you just can't jump or dive. Wow. This is really, really pretty. A bit of a steep climb up, you can see behind, so good workout for the old legs and knees. How nice is this? Just absolutely stunning in here. You know, it'd be nice if they've had a bit more rain, but there's a fair bit of water here anyway. So you look up around the cliffs here, just granite everywhere, big boulders and big rock faces, and it's just stunning. I've got to find myself a new word. I keep saying stunning everywhere I go. It's going to start getting really boring. Once again, beautiful rock pools and granite and bottle brush and she oak everywhere. So we're coming up to another sign. What do we got? Falls and Lookout. The way we're going, of course. Oh, and here's the that was the rock pool loop. So we've just come back on basically onto the main path now. So not sure how far it is to the waterfall. I don't think it's that far. This whole walk I think is about 5.5, 6 k's round trip. So it's only a short walk. See how we feel once we've done this. Might go and have some morning tea somewhere and then look for another walk on the way home, I think. See how we go. Because, you know, 6k is it's not that much of a walk, so 5 or 6 k's. Looks like we're coming down now to another sign. Okay, so we got Queensland Lookout, which overlooks Diamond Valley or whatever it's called. We'll go there. It's a kilometre away, so but first off we'll turn right and go and look at the Crow's Nest Falls. I think just coming down now, and says danger. You know, don't jump off the waterfall. Don't be an idiot. So what do we got here? Oh yeah. Don't think it can't happen to you. Kyle would tell you if he could. Kyle was a normal 20-year-old, but to those who knew him, he was everything. Now he's gone. He lost his life jumping off these cliffs. One day out with his mates, crossed the barrier. He only thought to listen to his mates, and well, he didn't, and he jumped off the cliff. So probably into the pool below and lost his life. How sad. So looks like we're here at the waterfall because the place is quite dry. I can't even hear the waterfall, so that's a pity. Would have been nice to see. Come all the way up to see Crow's Nest Falls and there's no water flowing over it. Beautiful pool, but yeah, the waterfall's not flowing at all. Oh, that's sad. Would have liked to have seen that. So over here, all this big rock area, that's the waterfall. Dry as a bone. So let's go now and have a look at the lookout that looks out across the Diamond Valley, I think it's called. Yeah, I've just come across another creek crossing here and it's dry as a bone, so they've had no rain here at all really, as you can see. So I think they forecast some rain over the weekend, so hopefully all these creeks will be flowing again, because it would be absolutely picture perfect if the water was flowing. I think we're coming up to the lookout of Diamond Valley. Got a bit of a lookout here, and then by the looks of things the steps go right up the top, so we'll go and check that out.
Nice breeze here.
Oh, beautiful. creek down below is dry as a bone. That's because the waterfall's not flowing. We're up pretty high here, probably about 300 feet or so. Pretty close to that. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to go up the top, and if it's not too windy, put my drone up. Have a bit of a look around. This gorge here is called Diamond Valley. And the reason they call it Diamond Valley is because all the granite has, I think they call it feldspar or fool's gold. That's what we used to call it when we were kids. It's like little shiny bits in all the rock. And obviously all the granite through the gorge has got lots of that, because when the sun's shining all over it, it shines like gold, sparkles like gold. Oh sorry, sparkles like diamonds. It's Diamond Valley. So here we are. Wow. Wow. The whole gorge, the creek's not flowing because of the waterfall. Well everyone, we've made it to the Diamond Valley, and it's been a really good walk. I'm starting to get really breezy now. I wanted to actually get you some more drone shots here, but as I may have mentioned earlier, my drone logged itself out, and I need to be back home at my computer to log it back in. And because it is logged out, it only lets me fly like 500 meters, or not even that, you know, 150 meters away from me. So I really disappointed with that, because I wanted to fly way down into the valley there and fly around all the rock pools and things, but my drone wouldn't let me. So anyway, it's been a great little walk. I loved all these rock pools and granite rocks everywhere. It's been a pleasant little walk. So if you're ever up near Crow's Nest, just near Toowoomba, and you're looking for something to do, it's about a 5 or 6k walk. There's a few little steps here and there, but nothing that's going to kill you. So well worth coming and checking it all out. So we're in Crow's Nest National Park, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!